Here is a Tatung 12-inch oscillating table fan from the 1980s, I believe, with the blue blades. So this fan that I got on Christmas, along with two other fans that I also got, a Vornado 750 with its original box, and a Holmes Airtable fan also from the 80s. I will feature those in the next videos. So anyways, I was honestly kind of interested in this Tatung fan that I found off on eBay, and hopefully I was gonna get it for Christmas, and fortunately I did. So this one I have not serviced yet because at first I thought it would sounded a little nice, but when it oscillates, it kind of oscillates a little weird a little bit, but it doesn't, but not really too bad though. So the only problem with this is that this one is missing the spinner to the blade. Because when I unboxed it on Christmas, it didn't have the spinner. Even though the fan was taken apart, but it was missing the spinner. So I guess the original owner of this was missing the spinner. So yeah, so might as well have to replace it. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna now demonstrate this a little. So here we go. Let's do some breeze. so this fan does make a vibrating noise, probably because this has a missing spinner, so I guess this fan the blade vibrates. So I need to find a replacement for the spinner. So anyways, let's take a look at the side. Also, this thing also has the click right here. There's click for the belt right here. In the back. Stick it in there. So this one underneath it shows it's so this is a model LC-12WSP. Shows it's made in Taiwan and distributed by Tatung Co. of America Incorporation, Long Beach, California, and I don't know how you pronounce this last city name. Maria, Georgia. So this one is made in Taiwan, but so this one not badly made. Surprisingly, instead of clips like the Galaxies, this one this has these things right here, like you would see on modern fans, but not as cheap like today's fans. Pretty decently made. Alright, let's get a close up. Here's a speed switch. Also, this right here is peeling off the switch plate. I'm not sure if this is the... Yeah, this is the film. Probably gonna have to peel it off eventually. Alright, let's get a motor start up. It vibrates. It vibrates. The blade vibrates without its spinner. So, yeah. Even though this thing is in good shape, but it's just that it's missing its spinner for the blade. So yeah, anyways, that will be it for today's video of my Tatung 12-inch oscillating table fan. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in the next video. Take care, everybody.